Page 130, this is number 1 at the top of the page. This is a lesson on harmonization. You get to play the right chords at the right time, isn't that nice? Well, the approach I use is basically the same approach I use on everything. First, I want to be able to play the silly thing, and so I got to make sure I understand the melody. I've already looked it over and I know the key signature and all that junk. We're in the key of C major, by the way. So I'm going to do the C major scale and the A minor scale, because those are the keys with no sharps or flats. Probably ought to be doing the arpeggios too. But it's the melody I'm after. Common time or 4/4 time. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Anyway, I go through and I do the melody. As far as articulation and all that stuff, you can do that too if you want, but this is really a lesson on harmonization, so I'll kind of put it all together later. Left hand, first thing I need to do is figure out what the chords are, and they're using the chord numbers, and that's okay. We're in the key of C major. All the numbers relate to C major, so the one chord starts on step 1 of the scale here. That's it. And then later I see a 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be this. It's an F chord. Then back to a 1 chord, and then a 5 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a G chord. Looks like those are the chords, the primary chords. The 1, the 4, and the 5. 1, 4, and the 5 are the chords we're going to be using in the left hand. Okay. And then I want to hear the harmony. So they got one note here. I'm going to play the whole chord here. Now, on these chords, I'm not going to be moving around. I'm not going to use root position all the time. So here I can do the 4 chord is right here. I'm going to take the C and put it on the bottom. So I go from here to here. So I'm not moving. And then on the 5 chord, it's here, but if I put the G on top, it's here. So it's... So I can get all of these chords without moving the hand. And that's what I'm going to do, just temporary. I just want to hear the harmony. See? So I can hear the harmony. Now what they seem to be doing here is they're just playing the tonic note of the chord, which is the note that identifies it, which is the here, the F and the G. Here you can get all of them right here. So it's here. 4 and 5. That's easier than what I was doing. I was doing the whole chord. I think you should do the whole chord, but that's my opinion. Alright, and that's what we're doing here. It might be nice also, just experiment with this. Play around with it. Try different rhythms in the left hand. You got this? Try dotted rhythm in the left hand. You say bam, ba bam, or anything. It doesn't matter what it is. Try broken chords. Oh, try the up, 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 up. Play around with it. Have some fun with it. I don't do play with me's on this because all it is the melody, and you can do that. Lift up between the phrases. That's fine. Lift up, and as far as the dynamic goes, as a suggestion, just play it. But play the right hand, which is the melody, louder than you play the left. Keep the left hand in the background. Play the left hand light. Here. Keep it light. As far as the speed goes, Allegro is quick. I have not been playing this quick. It should go a little faster for Allegro. My opinion, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's a felt. What feels quick to you? Not super quick, just fast or happy. Well, there's a note there to transpose it to A major. So A major has 3 sharps, an F sharp, a C sharp, and a G sharp. So you're going to play all the notes in A major. And it looks like we're staying in this position pretty much. And here. I'm playing the same fingers is what I was doing there. I just, you transpose it to other keys too. Whatever.